Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Systeme.io for affiliate marketing and automation. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Systeme.io account. Once logged in, navigate to the affiliate section on the left-hand menu. Click on affiliates to access the affiliate program settings. Here, you can set up your affiliate program if you haven't done so yet. Fill in the necessary details such as the affiliate commission percentage. Choose whether you want to pay affiliates for each sale or for leads. Save your changes to ensure your affiliate settings are updated. Next, go to the automation section in the left menu. Click on Rules to create automated marketing actions. Select Create a new rule to begin defining your automation process. Define the criteria for your trigger to specify when the automation should kick in. After setting the trigger, select the actions you want to automate. These actions could include sending emails, tagging contacts, or notifying affiliates. Once you have defined the actions, give your rule a clear and descriptive name. Save the rule to activate your automation. Now, navigate back to the affiliate section to create an affiliate link. Go to Products and select the product you want to promote. Find the option to generate an affiliate link for that product. Copy the affiliate link provided. Share this link with your affiliates to start promoting your product. Next, check the Statistics section to monitor your affiliate performance. Here, you can track conversions, clicks, and commissions earned by each affiliate. Consider creating promotional materials for your affiliates to help them succeed. You can create banners, emails, and other marketing tools in the Resources section. Ensure to update your materials regularly based on performance feedback. Finally, review your automation rules and affiliate settings periodically. This will help you refine your strategy and improve overall performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.